English Vocabulary 4. Competitive Exams with Meanings. Part 1. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. 1. Enhance.
ज़्यादा करना, बढ़ाना.
One of the best ways to enhance your vocabulary is by reading and discovering new words. 2. Retract.
वापस लेना.
Under pressure, the girl was forced to retract her complaints and issue a written apology to her abuser. 3. Agile.
चुस्त चालाक. फुर्तीला. चालाकी से. मुस्तैदी से. फुर्ती से.
Since the thief was so agile, it made it difficult to track his movements. 4. Deference.
एहतराम, तज़ीम.
If you treat others with deference, then people will respect you back. 5. Bolster.
हौसला अफजाई, गाओ तकिया.
Before the nervous comic went on stage, he drank a beer to bolster his confidence. 6. Detriment.
नुकसान.
Smoking is a detriment to good health. 7. Linger.
ताखीर, ठहरना.
The school bus will not linger, so it is important you arrive at the bus stop on time. 8. Ransack.
छान मारना, तोड़ फोड़.
Police were reminded that the Constitution requires warrants before they may enter and ransack a home. 9. Swoop.
झपटा.
This morning's events followed 3 arrests after police swooped on homes across the district in a series of raids yesterday. 10. Jilted.
बेवफा औरत. हर जाए. इकरार मोहब्बत करके फिर जाना.
She's as upset as a jilted lover over Quinn's attitude, and I'm afraid she's going to do something irrational. 11. Felicitation.
मुबारकबाद.
Heartiest felicitation to you on your success. 12. Rebuff.
झिड़क देना. ठुकरा देना.
Unfortunately, I have to rebuff your expensive gift because we hardly know each other. 13. Impetus.
रफ्तार का जोर.
The approaching deadline gave impetus to the investigation. 14. Moot.
मुतनाज़ा.
Since the judge has decided the child will live with her mother, the custody argument between the parents is moot. 15. Envisage.
तसव्वुर करना.
I envisage that this New Year's evening will be a delightful occasion. 16. Rhetoric.
बयानबाजी.
If someone does not stop the political rhetoric in that country, a civil war is likely to break out soon. 17. Immune.
से महफूज.
No one is immune to the effects of this legislation. 18. Proscribe.
काला दम.
As a smoker, I find the government's attempts to prescribe smoking to be dictatorial in nature. 19. Apprise.
आगाह.
The caring manager was not happy to apprise his employees that their jobs were in jeopardy. 20. Liaise.
राबता बनना.
Before the trial, the prosecutor will liaise with the detectives to ensure the best case will be presented in court. 21. Ambiguity.
इबहम.
She chose her clothing carefully to avoid gender ambiguity. 22. Temerity.
बेबाकी.
The teenager's temerity led him to do dangerous things, like driving recklessly. 23. Affront.
तौहीन.
By not bowing to the Queen, you have shown an affront to the entire royal family. 24. Eloquent.
फंसी.
Margie is an eloquent storyteller who can paint a picture with her words. 25. Outrage.
गम व गुस्सा.
Many people expressed outrage at the court's decision. 26. Ultimately.
बिलाखिर.
The doctor is ultimately held responsible for the patient's death. 27. Laggard.
सुस्त.
Because Jenna is always the last one to arrive on our outings, she is considered the laggard of our group. 28. Mollify.
शांत.
The manager tried to mollify the angry workers by giving them longer breaks. 29. Besmirch.
बदनाम करना.
Because Gail wanted her supervisor's job, she did everything in her power to besmirch the woman's character. 30. Tabloid.
अखबार.
Timberlake accepted damages from a tabloid newspaper that falsely accused. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.